What's going on, everybody? We are back for the afternoon session. Let's see who was first in the chat today. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Please tell me that it was Danelle. We're going to open up the AMC. Look at this, man. We got a scam trying to call me right now. Ignore. We're going to open up this chat right here and see if it was Danelle. Guess what, Danelle? You won. Come on. Scroll up. Yep. All right. Now load. Don't lag. Don't do this to me. Okay, well, that's going to load for a second. Hello, Danelle. AMC is waking up. Yes, AMC is waking up. It's moving nut. Oh, my gosh. All right, we're going to click reload. Guys, give me 2 seconds. I have no idea why Chrome is lagging like it is right now. We got to get this wrench passed out. That's what we got to do. We got to make sure Danelle gets a wrench if Danelle was the first one to chat in here. Let's see. Let's see. Live. Okay, good. Now pull it up. All right, excellent. Because it does seem like, hey, Clay, hope you're having a good day. Danelle was the first one in here. Pringleton, third. Marine Corps Brad, second again. Who else we got in here? Danelle, Marine Corps Brad, DD214, Pringleton, Javier, Silent. Is it not on silent? Let's go Shiba Army. Let's do it, Jack. Let's. Give me 2 seconds. Is it not on silent? I thought it was on silent. Nope, it is not on silent. Dang, man, that was a spam call that got me, too. Okay, now we're good. Are we back? We're back. What's going on? All right, let's go back to here. Good. And then AMC loaded. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Danelle was the first one to chat in here. Guess what, Danelle? You got the wrench for the rest of the afternoon. Congratulations to you and Marine Corps Brat for both having a wrench today, for being the first in the chats. Thank you guys very much. Charts AMC Clay Bro. Top left. Top left is AMC running right now. 35-38 after waking up a little bit after multiple attempts at this $34, $35 level of support here. Was not able to break it to the downside, and now we are rolling at $35.40. Shiba is on the top right. We got 65.84 for Shiba Inu Coin. My boy Prog down in the bottom left, where Wrestler and Devil's Advocate are making some money. And then just for fun, we've got Fun in the bottom right today. So those are the charts we got on the board right now. And up for interpretation, if you guys want to move the bottom right one, I know it's difficult to see because my face is there. I guess I would have to readjust the settings on how big this is and then maybe get a different whatever. I'm not worried about it today. But if you guys want a different one in the bottom right, we can always put a different one in the bottom right just to keep an eye on the price, not necessarily the actual chart. Lucky not many. Yeah, Pringleton, we're missing Nick F. He's not going to silence me. All these other guys are not going to silence me. Frank, man, I like the blue name on you. Looking good, dude. A market comment. I have a point of order I'd like to bring to chairman of the stream. I call for a vote again amongst the mods. Yeah, dude. It's kind of, yeah, chairman, vote for amongst the mods. Let's figure it out. What's a point of order? Bring it up. Bring it up, man. Bring it up. Bring a point of order up. I want to hear it. Hey, brother, can you explain? Yes, I probably can. To me, why Shiba was on fire yesterday and it's already dropping, what is happening, and why does the market cap keep going down? What does that mean? Keith, yes, we can talk about that really quick. Market cap going down, let's address that one first because I believe that's probably a more objective approach. So market cap is the multiplication between the coins outstanding and the price. So as the price goes down, market cap will go down. Now, as the amount of coins outstanding, we know they're burning coins. As those decrease, we may see the market cap decrease as well. But right now, price drops, market cap drops. As for why it's dropping after it was running so high yesterday, you know, it's just speculation at this point. But a couple reasons could simply be because after testing those all-time highs, yesterday, people were going crazy. They wanted it. They wanted it. They wanted it. It's running up, and it hits these all-time highs and pulls back a little bit. Kind of lets the excitement fade down and people to kind of get a grip on what's happening there. So as that happens, as you touch those levels of resistance and pull back a little bit, you may see the price pull back and people kind of calm down a little bit. But it's healthy, man. You need to see that sort of action because nothing Not any stock, not any crypto, no asset for that matter can ever sustain a run up like we were seeing in Shiba yesterday. It needs to pull back. It needs to calm down. It needs to find support if we expect those gains to continue. So just because it pulls back a little bit doesn't mean that's a bad thing. Hey, I was up real late watching the dip. I should have went to bed. Banana man, dude. I was up. I don't know. I don't know if you're California or where you're at. I was up till a little after midnight last night, and it did start to dip as I was going to sleep. So you may have seen more than I did, but yeah, man, I was up pretty late last night watching it dip too. Woohoo! I feel special. Danelle, you are special. That's what you get for being the first one in here to comment. Thank you very much for all of you. Thank you for real. It's just fun when somebody wins a wrench and you get to have some fun with it. But thank you, everybody, for being in here. Cannot request a change of color of my astronaut. White blends in too much with the text. Pringleton, I think so. So it wouldn't be specific to your astronaut, but see, it looks really good for me because my Streamlabs background is black. I mean, you guys can, you can kind of see it, maybe. You can kind of see it right there with the Streamlabs background being dark. The astronaut looks real good on my background, but I understand, like, if you're on the YouTube app and you're not in dark mode, it does look a little bit more difficult to see. So I could probably plan that a little bit better and look at going in and adjusting those icons. If they let me, right? If YouTube lets me do it, then yes, I can definitely do it. But it looks great for me. It just doesn't look great for you guys because you're on a white background. The action was fun to watch. However, I'll be watching it slowly for at least a year, just like AMC. Ashley, amazing plan. Now, with that, I think that's excellent. I do think that it eventually will calm down, and you may see a steadier rise. You may see it consolidate. You may see it trade sideways, and so on. But if you expect to reach those high prices, and it's hard to say a penny is high, but I mean, from where we're at right now, that still is high. If you expect to reach those prices, you do have to hold on for quite some time. Become a bro. Marine Corps Brett, thank you very much. Yes, guys, become a bro. Either get a green name or just click that subscribe button and become a bro. Marine Corps, I really appreciate that. Thank you. Is Lucid a good stock? Harmon, I think Lucid's got a lot of potential, man. I really do. Will Shiba go up? I believe it will, the refreshed guy. I believe Shiba will go up. When will I stop kicking myself for not chasing Shiba like apparently everyone else? Megalotone. I don't know, man. At a certain point, you have to make a decision whether you want to at least try it or if you just not want to worry about it. People would have thought you're chasing when it was hitting 1,500. Now it's 6,500. So you have to make a decision and just roll with it. But if you're trying to get in on a dip, man, you could be in an opportunity to get in on a dip right here after yesterday's run. Some people like Harmon, Sandu, and not sure how to join. Can you please explain? Yeah, Pringleton, absolutely. So if you guys just want to subscribe to the channel, excellent. All you gotta do is click that subscribe button, big red button right there. If you want to join the channel and get a green name, the little bro, I think it's $2.99 a month to have that green name. It is, and you also get a free member super chat every month for doing that. But it really helps, especially if the chat gets crazy. It's much easier to see the green names, and I appreciate all the support. To do that, if you're on iPhone or on Safari, all you got to do is click, copy and paste the link in the description below. It's the join this channel and become a bro link. You copy and paste that one out there, and it'll take care of you. For some reason, YouTube and iPhone aren't working together to provide you that button. If you're on Samsung or any other Android or Google Chrome or anything for that matter, there should be a big blue join button right next to the subscribe button, and you can get a green name that way. So if anybody out there is interested in doing that, clearly I appreciate it. Everybody knows I appreciate it, and we will absolutely welcome you to the channel if you do. So thank you guys in advance for the support if you do that. Thanks, Clay, bro. Absolutely. Megalotone. Brett, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Why hasn't Coinbase fixed the circulation supply amount? Javier, I'm not exactly sure, man. You would hope that it's harder for them to do that. You would hope that it's not just as easy as going in and clicking a button but there's also the possibility that they have server resets and they don't want to manually reset the server or something like that. So they may have already put a fix in, and then as their stuff goes through its cycle, you may see it automatically update during their normal server update. So I have no idea how they work. I'm just kind of guessing as to why they wouldn't do it if they do need to update it. It could simply be because they don't want to manually reset their servers and stuff. Prog, no shares to borrow, high cost to borrow, high utilization, conference tomorrow, buyout rumors, pennant breaking out soon, crazy retail hype support. What are you waiting for, Clay? You know what? I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I really don't. I mean, I should go buy a little bit of Prog. My tablet's over there charging right now. Should I do it like right now? Should I just buy a little bit to see what happens? I mean, maybe I should. I got some money that I could buy with. Darn it. Oh my god, Nat, what? Hold on. Who is this? Devil, you say do it, I'll do it. I won't go heavy or anything like that. If you say do it, man, I'll do it. You're my prog man. You're my prog man. And please, do not. I'm not talking about going and investing enough money that I'm going to cry about it. Please do not worry. You say do it, I do it. You say wait, I will wait. You let me know. But I have to formally show my excitement for Natalie being in here. Oh my gosh, Natalie, I thought you disappeared. Listen, I was over at my sister's house the other day. I took pictures of all of the thank you notes that everybody in her class wrote for you. I need to send those to you on Twitter. They're absolutely hilarious. They're not easy to read because those kids misspelled absolutely everything in them. But thank you. And oh my gosh, the fact that you're here makes me so happy. Natalie, glad to have you home. Thank you very much. And look, Natalie, speaking of you, look at this right here. AMC, this is you. We didn't forget about you, Natalie, and we never will. We still got you on the board. All the other lines have come and gone, but you are still on the board, waiting for you to come home. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad to have you here. So good to have you back. Ryan says, Claybro, do you know the official burn wallet and how to look it up on Etherscan? I heard billions are being burned weekly. Ryan, I don't have the official wallet address. No, I can get that. I was doing a lot of looking into the supply. I wasn't looking at that, but I was doing a lot of looking into the supply glitch and what's going on with that during the break. So that's what I kind of focused on. I don't have that wallet that you guys can check out. What's up with the new coin? Sam. So as far as I know, everything I've read said that is a glitch, okay? That's not something that we need to be concerned about. It's just a glitch at this point. Now, if further details emerge, I will definitely let you guys know. But as of right now, it seems to be a glitch. Do it, you big baby. You've been waiting too long. Anyways, if you missed gains on, well, your man, I won't sleep. I told you to get in sub 2. Yes, you did. Should I? All right. Well, he says do it, man. Stream. I can get in aftermarket, right? Because the tablet's over there charging. It's not even on. You tell me, man. Do I get in aftermarket or I get in now? I will get in aftermarket with not enough that I'm gonna be worried at all. But dude, I want to partake in at least some gains. I can't let you have all the fun, man. Should I buy Shiba Inu now? You are on a little bit of a dip and bouncing back up, so if you would like to, absolutely. AMC chart doesn't matter. It's a simple waiting game. Yeah, the day-to-day, I mean, it's nice when it goes up, but the day-to-day is just that. It's just day-to-day. When they go to cover, that's where we win. Tomorrow morning is a big catalyst, and shorts have been adding today. If I was able to bet out of the money options for tomorrow, I would. Dang, you get all those out of the money options tomorrow too? Dude. Maybe I'll buy a call. Hey, what do you think? Should I take a real risk and just buy one cheap call option? Or should I buy some shares? I'm not worried either way. Which one? You're the man, dude. You're the man. Do I buy at least a call option and see how it plays out? Or do I go out there and buy some shares? Clay, if Robinhood investors really want to buy SHIB, don't you think they already registered for other brokers who don't opt? Yes. So TG Samaritans, I think the majority of them who really wanted to buy Shiba have already gone and done so elsewhere. However, I do think there are people who won't register for Webull, won't register for Coinbase, won't register for Binance. There are some of those that will only buy it on Robinhood. But I would say a lot of them, yes, have already bought it elsewhere. AMC chart always matters. Yeah, it does. But like the intraday price action, it shouldn't scare us. It shouldn't scare us because our game plan is to hold and our game plan is to watch the shorts cover. Let's see here. Did Natalie even say anything? Yes. Claim my new average is 45. No way, Natalie. All right, excellent, Natty. We're gonna update that because we can't have you here at 46. Oh goodness, we were sitting there waiting for you to come home and you tell us your average is 45. All right, perfect, Natalie. There you are. New average 45. Very good. Dang it, Natalie, just rocking it now. We're gonna keep that on the chart too. See if Brett turns up today. We'll know. Then we will know, Pringleton. If Brett just happens to show up on the same day that Natalie comes back, something's going on here. Natalie, miss your face every day. Natalie, you have no idea how much I've missed your face. Oh my. Ooh, guys, go ahead. Tell Natalie. We talk about her like every day. And she's back now. So, Natalie, thank you. Oh, my gosh. Thank you for being in here. And thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that so much. And it is true. Like, I hope you don't mind, but we do talk about you, like, every day. So, once glitch is fixed, price goes back up. Lola. Theoretically, yes. Once the glitch is fixed, you would expect the people who don't know about the glitch to look at that and say, oh, okay, we could buy that right now. But just fixing the glitch doesn't in and of itself drive the price back up. It's not like that's directly going to drive the price higher. People still have to make that decision to buy because of it. Frank, I think permanent mods should go to people who are here every day and have been here for quite a long time. Nothing against newbies to the channel. Definitely. I mean, I would do the same thing. Was beautiful people. Was click clay. 11 Simon, how you doing, man? I don't know options well enough to give you that kind of advice regarding when call to puts, but you said you had some money to blow, so YOLO that stuff. If you make good gains, put them in shares, baby. All right, you think it's going up? Dang, man, I can't do anything with options after. Man, I might just do shares, man. I'm not gonna go turn my tablet on and everything right now and do it. I might just do shares then. I might just do shares and get those afterwards. But you say get in, dude. I'm gonna see what happens with it. We'll play. Clay, one thing. Aren't you worried about handing out wrenches to random people? A psycho with a wrench could sink your whole ship. No, I can just take it away. What are they gonna do, man? You think there's like enough wrenches in here? All I gotta do to do anything about it is just pull up YouTube real quick and take it away. I'm gonna sink no ship, dude. I'm gonna sink. How many captains we got on this ship right now? I ain't sinking nothing. Mariko Brett, yes, but make use of it. Sign Pringleton out quick. Something about Pringleton being out quick. Oh no, bro, what glitch? So the supply for total Shiba coins rose by about 200 trillion coins, according to a few different websites, and that is being played off as a glitch. Okay, that's the latest information we have. It's not an actual increase in supply, but it's being called a glitch. The supply is supposed to be back down to where it was, around 400 trillion coins. Robinhood is stock to buy for accepting Shiba. I don't think Robinhood's a stock to buy right now. With declining revenue like they have, I wouldn't really worry about that. Clay, Webull won't even let you get options for tomorrow anyways. At least for me, the earliest we can get was November 19th. Okay, well, I'm not too worried about it then. I can get shares, dude. I can get shares. I mean, I could go November 19th. I don't really mind about that, especially if we got a nice... Dude, I don't know. Maybe I buy an option with it. If you think it's going to spike tomorrow, that could be a sick opportunity. And if not, who the heck cares, man? I got some buying power sitting there, and it's not doing anything. It's worse than being in a bank. Well, I think the 1% are mad at Shiba. The 1% probably are mad at Shiba because we're all becoming millionaires. Do you think we'll hit the 1 cent mark? Ashia, longer term, I definitely think it's possible. Short term, no. No, a cycle with a wrench is just moderately concerning. Yeah, Doge, a cycle with a wrench is moderately concerning, not extremely. Well, Sam, love the new name. How do you even know it's Sam? Then Banana Man, I'm not psycho. Danelle, absolutely, definitely not psycho over there. She will not come back up. Oh, Tom's World. I think that Shiba will bounce back up. I don't think that you have anything to worry about right there. So many. I know for a fact that Natalie brought Brett back in here. Well, guys, which smile is bigger? When I saw Natalie come in and when I see Brett come in? I don't know. I'm so happy right now. I don't know which one's bigger. Brett, man, I'm so glad to have you in here, dude. ASM, Ethereum, next Reddit coin. I don't like Reddit, but it could be. What do you think about Saitama? A lot of people talking about it, David. Clearly, I don't think that the Shiba train is done yet, so if you're trying to jump on the next one, I still think you got gains to go on this one, so it's up to you if you want to leave. What's your opinion on SafeMoon? I believe Shiba is definitely the winner between SafeMoon and Shiba. They were both being pumped back in early 2021. Does anyone else smell mozzarella sticks? I did. I got a big old whiff of mozzarella sticks when Brett walked in. Bud, 32.2289. How do I stay level-headed when it drops? Bud, a couple different ways that you can go about that, man. One is just having your plan in place before you get in, okay? If you realize that it could drop, then you understand that there's going to be price swings. It's very volatile. Cryptocurrency in general is volatile. Shiba Inu especially because of the hype surrounding it right now. So all you have to do, man, is try your best to detach your emotions from the day-to-day action. Stay convicted in your plan. If you think it's going to rise long-term, only look at the long-term horizon. If you think it's going to rise short-term, maybe you can get in, get back out, and trade it that way. But know your plan, stick to your plan, and just ignore all the noise is probably one of the best ways to detach yourself from the emotions of it. Kush Kumar, thank you very much for the super chat. Holding 5 million Shiba to 5 cents. I don't care if it takes 2 years or 5 years. Kush, amazing, man. Because I'll be honest, okay, 5 cents, very high valuation. But if you're looking 2 to 5 years out, it's reasonable, okay? You can expect that if they burn a ton of the supply over that time, you can expect prices like that. Banana Just Behave, and thank you very much for that super chat. I really appreciate you guys. Banana Just Behave, I won't ban anyone. Never. Danelle is not banning any, unless Danelle, I don't know, Danelle, you're allowed. You got a blue wrench right there. You're definitely allowed. Please warn people that whales pump and dump meme coins on a regular basis. Guys, whales pump and dump meme coins on a regular basis. It's kind of associated. The risk associated with buying these coins is, we know about it. But yeah, guys, coins go up, coins go down. All coins go up and go down. All stocks go up and go down. Clay, I have 18 million Shiba at $500. If it reaches a penny, I will see half. I will sell half and let the rest enjoy the ride. Joan De Jesus, very nice, man. I like it. Buy in the dip, focus on the long term. Shiba will rise again. And Inu, a next gem. New Inu is the next gem. Juliana, very nice for pointing the next one out there. We all appreciate that. What do we got going on? All right, it's back down to 35.83. Okay, see that. Please warn people. I saw that. Let's see what else we got here. Shiba predictions for the coming week. Hardik, next thing I want to see is just a retest of that all-time high. Clay, will you have a returning mods seen the trophy you won for being 11 on Mr. Simon's favorite Clay in Ohio who streams AMC? I hope so. Look, guys. Look at this trophy right here. I'll show you right now. Look at this. Oh, this is great, but you got to look at it with the light. It might be harder. Oh, no, I turned it off. Oh, it's not on. Oh, now it's on. Look at this. It's difficult right in front of the light like that. Yes. Clay Bro, that sounds like something you're interested in? Let's get started. Oh, yes. 1111, Mr. Simon. Thank you very much for this, man. I appreciate that. And we're going to keep the lights off because you guys can barely see that thing while we're live streaming. Better for the videos. Use your Weeble link. Hope you've benefited too, Clay, bro. New folk definitely would have if you used the link, man. And thank you very much. Guys, I appreciate everybody who's using the link out there. We should, let's see. One of the mods or somebody copy and paste that, and I'll pin it. Whichever one's first to copy and paste that Weeble description, or that Weeble link down there, I'll pin that up there during this live stream, and then your name's going to be up at the top of the chat too. So one of you guys, one of the mods, go copy and paste that, and then I'll pin that up there so everybody can see that link. Because right now, if you sign up for Weeble, make a deposit, trade at least $1 worth of crypto, you're going to get at least $5 worth of free Shiba Inu coin. So if you don't want to buy it, dude, just go trade $1 and they're going to give you $5 worth. I mean, your $5 might only be worth 5,000, but that's a good gain a couple years from now. Every time I listen to your videos, I say, let's get started with you, and smile, and then pause and think to myself, why are you like this? And I hate how weird I am. Hey, man, it happens. It happens. I wonder the same thing, because I don't just say it when I'm making videos. I'm like, oh, that sounds like something. Let's get started. Yeah, it's terrible, dude. It's like a disease, man. Oh, ER, man. E-I-E-I-O. Darn it, dude. I'm going to have to turn on slow mode if people spamming like that. Should we hit 800 or 900 today? 8,000 or 9,000 today? Yeah, it definitely could go back to 8,000. 9,000 might be a different story because we would be breaking an all-time high. I'd be more on board with 8,000 than 9,000. Clay, I listened to the playlist to burn Shiba. I low-key stalk your stream when I can. Oh, my gosh. You guys might not see it, but I'm blushing right now. Natalie, I love it. I love it, Natalie. Thank you so much. My gosh. Natalie, just blowing my mind every single day. So happy to see Natalie in the chat. Feels like the good old times. Late to the chat. Had to finish pruning a $2.5 million house. Dude, Chris does some excellent landscaping, man. If my yard looked half as good as what he does, dude, I'd be the baddest dude on the block. Dude, nobody's like, somebody go post that link so I can pin it. It's just been crazy with work and life. Good to be back, though. Natalie, you have no idea how good it is to have you back. My gosh, I'm happy. Today doesn't matter. Next week will be hard, but December will be our till something. The Devil's Advocate, do you do it on the weekends, too? Maybe we need a support group. Dude, can I join the support group? Because, like, I definitely do it. Like, does it sound like something you're interested in? Let's get started. It's terrible, man. It's terrible. How much Shiba token do you own? I don't talk about the actual number that I own. The Weeble link, AMC Trapper. The Weeble link. So if people want to sign up for Weeble, it's posted at the top. I don't talk about the actual number I own, but my current average is 27 and change. So 2,700 and something is my current average. But we don't talk about actual values, overall portfolio values, anything like that. Just because I don't want to influence anybody to buy more, buy less, all that good stuff. You get in with what you can afford to get in with, and you move on with your life. Happy to know that you are doing you. All right, let's see. As that chat starts to load there on AMC. Okay, Marine Corps Brat coming in hot with the Weeble link. Thank you very much, Marine Corps Brat. Now I got to find it. I got to find it. JJ, give me 2 seconds, man. Just give me 2 seconds, JJ. That's got to load up. All right, YouTube is acting real slow right now. Oh, my gosh. Come on. Nope, come on. Okay. There she is. There she is. Pin message. Is that the right one? Oh, yeah, Marine Corps Brat. Thank you very much. And JJ, thank you for the super chat. JJ says, thank you very much, JJ, for the super chat, man. I appreciate all of the support from each and every one of you guys. All the super chats, I appreciate every single one. JJ, thank you very much, man. Sorry it took a minute, but I was trying to pin that message from Marine Corps Brat. Click, since you're about to invest prices of stocks at the conference with Prog, 32, 42, 82, and even a whopping 424, and then there's Prog, sub 4. See the potential here? Yes, I do, Devil's Advocate. Dude, I mean, the potential, even if it runs to like $6, man, then $12 is insane potential, so... Yeah, man, I just can't let you have all the fun. You know what I mean? I'll be okay to like hold a bag with you, but I won't be okay if you're having all the fun and I'm not. Also, Clay, you cannot come because you're a trigger for quite literally every single person in the Let's Get Started support group. Darn it, man. Darn it. I need help. I need help. I say it too often. It's my first time investing in something like this. I bought $50 worth of Shiba. If everything goes well and I sell, what can I profit? Free to write. So if everything goes well and you invested 50 in there, I'd say over the long term, you could easily be looking at $500 to $5,000 long term. You know, that's not short term. Keep that in mind. We need to see the supply broken down, and I don't know where you got in at either. I don't know if you're already up on your investment or if you're sitting right where it's at right now. But long term, 10x, 100x going to a penny, I don't think those are insane gains. Well, let me copy out the phone, but thank you very much, Trapper. Thank you. I didn't realize that it wouldn't let you copy and paste it if you're on your phone, but I really appreciate you guys getting that link out there so I can post it up there. How do you feel about averaging up? Bought Shiba at 0.0007 and put more in. It's 29. Thinking about putting more in. What? Yeah, I think that averaging up, you know, if you're never going to buy it right at the bottom of the dip, okay? So if you expect that you're going to buy it right at the bottom of the dip, okay. But if you average up, you're still in the green as you're adding to your portfolio. And I have no problem with people averaging up. You know, you may never see 2,900 again. You may never see 3,000 again. So you have to just look at it about where it's at and make your decision from there. But no, man, I don't think there's any problem at all with averaging up on your position. Brett says, I want to start a new coin called Bellhop so no one can claim ignorance when they're a bag holder. Dude, I would buy that. I would buy that coin, and then I would say, shoot, dude, I'm bag holding as a bellhop. Oh, well, I guess that's kind of what I got into. Clay, do you believe in max pain theory of the options chain? I've been using it as a basis for selling weekly calls for AMC, and so far I haven't been assigned. Joan De Jesus. So clearly they use that level to figure out where it's going to bring, like where all the options are at and which one's going to cause the most harm to those selling covered calls. You can use that as a level if you would like. Or you could use support and resistance levels and just sell right outside of a resistance level, and it just gives you an edge. It's not going to be guaranteed. I don't want anybody to think that anything is guaranteed in the market. But if you want to give yourself an edge, then yes, you would use something along those lines. Resistance, max pain, so on. Sell right above that, and then you can get your covered calls that way. We will win when we will win. We will be rich. Shiba, take us to the moon. Sam, absolutely. I believe in Max Greenfield theory. Max Greenfield theory says that everything is better when Max Greenfield is there. Oh shoot, you guys talked up Brett Texas. Well, yeah, what's up, bro? Brett Texas is in here, man. I always sell at the bottom of the dips. It's the best time, Banana Man. Best time to sell. Doesn't everybody love selling at bottoms? I mean, everybody should love selling at bottoms, right? And then buying on top. I'm okay not making millions, but I do want to make a few thousand. Oh, Tanner, absolutely, man. Absolutely. I mean, I don't know if you're going to get in right now at these levels and make $1 million on a $100 investment, but you could absolutely make thousands of dollars in it over a longer time frame. You know, I don't think we're going to 10x by the end of the year, but you could definitely do very well. Chala says Shiba is trash. Well, dude, I guess, I don't know, throw all your money in the trash then, because Shiba's making a lot of people a lot of money. Dude, you can get rich on garbage. You can get rich on garbage, and that's what a lot of people are doing. Almost 45,000 subs. Oh my gosh, Nick F, what's going on, man? Guys, almost 45,000 subs. If you have not clicked the subscribe button, click the subscribe button and tell me you clicked it, and then I'll shout you out. Thank you very much, Nick, for reminding me. Let's go, guys. I got 7 million Shiba right now. Very nice, Tanner. Imagine, dude. Imagine you go to 10 cents per share and you're sitting on what, 7 grand? No, you're sitting on 70 grand at 10 cents per share. Killing it, dude. Or at a penny per share. You're killing it, man. LFG on the subs. AMC Trapper going up on a Thursday. Claybro, what's up? What's up with the total supply? Babies are amazing. Babies are amazing, man. I like that name. Total supply kind of glitching. That's the best I could find on it right now, is that because of all of the volatility and volume and problems with Shiba breaking the internet yesterday, the market cap and the total supply kind of glitched out on some platforms and showed more coins than were currently available. You think it's a coincidence that you just started gaining subs when you decided to team up and play chess for subs together, Dream Team, and them nightly plugs for stream working? Dude, I'm telling you, no, man. It's not a coincidence, dude. It's not a coincidence. Let's do this. We are here, and we are growing our portfolios every single day. Papai? New token? Get it, man. Marine Corps Brett. Clay, bro. Davis wants you to read something. Davis. I just subscribed since you won't read my comment. David, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. If you said something before that, man, send it again. Oh, read it, Clay. Meme coins go up and down with pump and dumps because we are not regulated in the stock market, so billionaires can pump and dump together without recourse. Yeah, guys. Cryptocurrencies are more volatile and are inherently more risky than the stock market or real estate or other assets out there like that. And, because of that risk, you have more reward potential. So I hope that everybody out there does understand the risks and rewards that are associated with cryptocurrencies. But Davis is right. They can be risky, but the rewards are very evident. Clever, what do you believe the AMC squeeze time frame is? Are you looking at weeks, months, or years? So I don't know if you're asking when it will squeeze, because I do not know that. We got a lot of stuff to fall into place before AMC stock squeezes. We need, in my opinion, we need low volume, we need a rising price, and we need some sort of an external, factor that's going to pose risk for the hedge funds that are shorting AMC. When we get those, it's going to be crazy. But if you're asking, and I don't know that time frame on when everything falls into place, but if you're asking how long the actual squeeze is going to take to play out once it starts, I personally think that it's going to be quick. I think it's going to be a couple days to maybe a week or so. And I think when it happens, like the FOMO buying that we see in Shiba, DWAC, Fun, all of these other stocks out there that are just going crazy, I think it's going to be even crazier for AMC because it's still on the radar of so many people. And when that happens, the volume is going to be driven through the roof, and that's going to allow the hedge funds to cover at a very quick pace. Good night, Umar. I did not see what Umar is doing, but shoot. Yeah, good night, Umar. With low volume, I can barely hear you, though. Brett, I'm so glad you're here, dude. Even though you can't hear me right now, I'm so glad you're here. Holding Shiba and Doge, Nufo, very nice, man. I told the whole chat to invest in Shiba like the first week of October. Christina, sorry, y'all. What do you mean, sorry, y'all? Anybody that took your advice the first week of October, destroying it right now. Thank you very much, Christina. Check a Pappy token, please. I don't know where can you find Pappy token? I don't know where that's at. Grant, is there a decent possibility of Shiba crashing and burning? So yes, there's always that possibility out there of something falling, and let's talk about that. Why would that happen? Shiba is very much supported by demand. Okay, there's not this underlying asset value where we don't think that it can drop below a certain value and so on because the underlying token is worth that much. It's worth what people are willing to pay for it. And with a lot of people piling in, if they pile in, if they leave just as fast as they pile in, we could watch it fall down. Now, I want to draw some similarities between Shiba and Dogecoin because Dogecoin was the same thing. People were saying, oh, it's going to drop back down to half a cent and so on. The Shiba army, the community surrounding Shiba is just ridiculous right now, okay? And with that being said, I don't think you're going to see that sort of a decline in Shiba Inu because people are going to be buying, people are going to be holding. Some people might get off board, but not everybody is going to get off board. Shiba Gang, oh yes, the Shiba Gang is definitely rolling and keeping things nice. Be smart, buy multiple different cryptos. Yeah, guys, that's diversification. If you want to buy multiple different cryptos, you absolutely can. And there's nothing wrong with diversifying your portfolio. No one dropped something. Shiba, darn it, I missed what Danelle said. Davis! Great. It's called a pump and dump. Clay keeps leaving that out. No regulations equal pump and dump insider trading. Dude, what do you... Davis, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. I have said, several times that I agree. People can pump and dump cryptocurrencies. but I don't think that's something that needs to be like reinstated in every breath. I think that people understand the risks that are associated with cryptocurrencies, and the fact that they are not regulated by the SEC is one of them. But at the same time, it allows us to get these wonderful gains that a lot of people have out there, and really gains that are unparalleled by things that you can find in some of the stocks that are out there in things like real estate and so on. Chris, who asked something, didn't even know. Oh, one Shiba, let's go. Caesar, let's do it. Hi, Clay, bro. I'm new to crypto and currently have Binance. I'm thinking about investing in Shiba. I'm willing to put down 200 pounds. What would you advise? Chris, well, man, I'm not able to advise you on what to do with your money, but at the current levels, we did pull back from where we saw an all-time high a couple days ago. If you think that this is as low as it's going to dip, I say go ahead, add, man. I say go ahead and add. If you're going to be upset if it dips further, then maybe you should see how it plays out. But just know that you're not going to be able to time it perfectly. Nobody ever times things perfectly. And whether or not you get in at the perfect moment is going to be determined by luck and nothing other than it. To be honest, I would live a very happy life if I could exclusively time pump and dumps perfectly, so I support them. Dude, I think we all would, and it would be absolutely amazing. You're a good middleman, Clay. You make me laugh. Just remind everyone of a pump and dump every 1,000 breaths, and you can have a clear mind. Davis, that's why I got you, man. That's why I got you. We'll make a deal, dude. 1,000 breaths, I won't be able to count. So you count the 1,000 breaths for me, and you remind me every 1,000 breaths to remind everybody else that cryptocurrencies are susceptible to pump and dumps. And then I think we'll both be good, man. We'll both have a clear conscience, and we can both move on. Pump and dump reminder, just in case you forget. Devil's Advocate, I love it, man. Guys, keep me honest, all right? Keep me honest out there, because Davis is for sure going to do it. Hey, I'm messing with you, Davis, but for real, if you do want to keep me reminded, I'm reading everybody's comments, so if you want to keep that up there, definitely keep it posted, because I do believe that people should understand the risks. Sorry, and I'm sorry I'm coughing. I got, my throat's a little messed up today. I just want half a cent. Oh, 0.00, yeah, 0.0005. Dude, if we reach 0.0005, you're going to be doing very well. That's a 10x. That's less than a 10x from here. I think you got that. Clay, I have $2 for buying power. Should I invest in Baby Moon, Floki, or Piccolo Inu? Oh, God. JB. Go Baby Moon Floki, dude. Go Baby Moon Floki. I've never heard anybody mention Piccolo Inu, and I have seen some people talking about Baby Moon Floki. So you may have a slight better chance for a pump in Baby Moon Floki. I've seen somebody say that before. So I say go that one, dude. $2. If you guys get mad at me for picking one on a coin flip for $2, I don't know what to do on that. Clay Baby Moon Floki was up 800%. Ooh! Did you get it then? Did you get it? Were you up 800% on your $2? Killing it, man. Dude, God, dude made I don't know, what is that? 800% on $2? Walked away with almost $20. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah, JB. You're going to be in the negative a lot worse if you don't sell now and buy again when it's down a lot more. LM. So that's the kind of strategy you need to find for yourself before you get in. Are you a trader? Are you a holder? What are you comfortable with doing? I know there are several people out there that are going to tell you, oh, trading's the way to go. Buy when it's high, or buy when it's low, sell when it's high, buy back when it's low again. But it doesn't always work out for everybody. Day trading can cause a lot of stress. You might mistime it. You might sell it when it's dipping, and then it shoots up, and you're missing out on an opportunity to get those gains. It's whatever you're comfortable with. Yes, you are correct, man. If you time it perfectly, you will clearly do better day trading every single swing. But if you think that you're going to time every single swing perfectly, I have to say that you're probably mistaken. That's me on that one. Let's see. I think that's right. I don't even know. Stephanie Michelle. I took out my initial investment at 0.00008. Just now riding that profit wave. I love it, Stephanie Michelle. In the trading world, I am what the cool kids refer to as a non-profitable trader. Nice, dude. What other kind is there? What will Shiba Inu's price be at the end of this year? Funny star. If I had to guess, I'm going to say there's only going to be 3 zeros at the end of the year. That would be my guess. That would also be my hope. Thank you, JB. Absolutely. AMC closed at 35.24. If anyone cares, definitely care what AMC closed at, man. 35.24 per share for AMC stock closing today. What else we got? 35.24. What is it doing? After hours down just slightly. And then what was the volume today? I didn't even see the volume on AMC. Volume, only 23 million shares traded today. So definitely lower than the day before, and it seems to be trending downward overall volume, which I think is a good thing. Some people disagree, but I think it's a good thing that volume is lessening on AMC stock. According to my boss, there's the kind who make 10% a day trading, and the term loss is unheard of. Yeah, man, if you never book your loss, or you only book gains, 10% a day, that's the way to go. 0.002840 by the end of the year. Caesar, very nice, man. If you're right, I love it. Sources say by the end of 2020, she would 2 to 3 zeros. Clay, demand. Jacqueline in Oklahoma. Shoot, I would say I would be skeptical of 2 zeros. I'm more on board with 3 zeros by the end of the year. And I'm still like 3 zeros and a 1 is still 3 zeros. But I would be skeptical of 2 zeros. Clay, what's your opinion on ARK ETF planning to open a poor man's covered call on it? I don't know too much about it, man, but I see some people talking about it. I personally don't know enough that I can make a decision on it for you, but you actually might know more than I do on that. Alan, SafeMoon is running. Shoot, man, nobody's talking about SafeMoon. What's it running to, Alan? Give us an update, man. Give us an update on what SafeMoon's running to, because I know that SafeMoon was really moving with Shiba Inu back at the beginning of the year, but a lot of people have been talking about Shiba, not SafeMoon lately. Sell TF out of Shiba? Well, Wrestler says, get out of Shiba and make some money. Davis, no idea about details on AMC. I got $11,000 to put on it. If you were putting your money in AMC, when would you take it out? Davis, thank you very much for the question. So my philosophy on AMC is that I am holding, and I still have my AMC, and I'm holding it for a short squeeze. I do not plan on trading it. I do not plan on getting in, getting out, anything like that. I'm holding until the shorts cover. So with that being said, let's go over here and I can show you what we got technical analysis wise on AMC. So this is the daily chart. We just broke down below this $36 level of support, which also happened to line up perfectly with this $36 level of ascending support. So we broke down through there, and we're kind of bouncing, testing this baby level of support back here at $34.50, $35 per share. If we fall through it, man, and if we don't bounce in this area, we may see a drop to $30 per share. So if you don't want to get in now on AMC, I say you wait a little bit and see what happens. If we bounce back up, you might be in a little bit of a better position to either ride this train out into 36s into early January if this technical analysis pattern still holds up, or we may wedge to here before breaking out in either direction. But I'm holding my AMC until the shorts cover, dude. So it's completely up to you, but I'm holding until they cover. And when they do go to cover, I'm not selling until they're absolutely just offering ridiculous prices for it too. So that's me. I'm 100% committed to the AMC stock short squeeze. I wouldn't recommend day trading or swing trading AMC. Nufo! Happy birthday, Clay, bro. Nufo, thank you very much. But if anybody's wondering, it is not my birthday today, but Nufo always wishes me a happy birthday. So Nufo, thank you very much for the birthday wishes and the members chat. I appreciate that. Saitama Inu, do not know much about it. David, very sorry about that. David's all about Saitama. Yes, David likes Saitama. Could it be a year till they cover? Christina, at the current levels of cost to borrow and so on, yeah, they're not going to be terribly tempted to go out and cover their AMC right now. But if things change a little bit, I don't think we wait a whole year to see them covering their shares on AMC. I think as people die down, as people stop trading it as much, then they may go out there and try to start covering their shares of AMC as the attention and focus kind of, I don't know, fades a little bit. We may see them more willing to cover the stock. Brett, thank you very much for the member chat. Happy birthday, Nufo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And look, Banana Man's got the cake. Happy birthday, dear Nufo. Happy birthday to you. Banana Man says happy birthday to Nufo as well. Thank you very much, Brett and Banana Man, for the member chat and the super chat there. Cage match to the death. AMC versus Shiba. Cognitive. Let's get started. Clay, you have to make a crypto and name it Claymonk Chip Bro. Dude, I would buy that. I would buy anything with Chip Bro's picture on it. What do you think AMC will go to possibly and when? Davis, honestly, my optimistic expectations for AMC are around $1,000 a share during the short squeeze, okay? Now, if people tend to fall off and if people want to just completely get out of it, then clearly we're going to see less prices than that. But I'm basing that on the fact that everybody holding AMC has roughly 120 shares in their portfolio, and that the shorts will absolutely have to cover regardless of the price. So I still think the MOAS is on. I still think that, you know, when the shorts go to cover, they're going to be paying ridiculous prices in order to cover. And if everybody holds out, we see these prices. I think they're going to start getting tempted before, but once it really starts to get tempting is when people are going to have not triple, but like $100,000 plus in their position. So that's my optimistic expectations for AMC. Pump and dump. Oh yeah, guys, cryptos are definitely pump and dumps, and you need to be careful if you're investing in crypto because whales can pump and dump them. Thank you very much, Devil's Advocate. Appreciate that. Hello, everyone. New here. Georges, thank you for being in here. Giorgio, what's your opinion about Shiba Inu volume increase volume? Sorry for my bad English. Giorgio, so I think you may mean the market cap or the overall supply. As far as we know, that was a glitch. Okay, as far as we know, we don't have to worry about that, and that should be fixed. Increase in actual volume and the increase in trading should be expected because as more people know about it and more people want to buy it, the volume will increase. And dude, never say sorry about your bad English, man. Your English wasn't even bad. And if you're not living in the United States, oh dude, don't apologize for a second language ever. Wow, Elizabeth. Boy, is that Spotify burn list long. Elizabeth, are you listening to it right now? Just traded my XRP for Shiba. Is it a decent watch list? Is it a decent playlist, though? Oh, crap. Gary Gensler is up to something. Buckle up, boys and girls. Payday is imminent. New York Angelo says so. Boom, baby. Squeeze confirmed. MOAS confirmed. New York Angelo says so. Gary Gensler ready to go. I like it. I only subscribe to you to become a bro. Sod, very nice, man. Sorry if I'm saying the name wrong. Click that subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. SafeMoon up to 60%. I own Shiba and SafeMoon. Alan, very nice, dude. SafeMoon running 60% right now. Dude, I love when you guys make gains. Alan, thank you for the super chat. Thank you for reminding us of SafeMoon as well. I know some people that have SafeMoon. I do not own any SafeMoon. But if you guys own it, man, I hope you make a killing on it. Brandon, attention, Shiba bag holders, a Dogecoin. Yeah, Brandon would like to bring up Dogecoin. We can bring up Dogecoin. Dogecoin performing very well today, up 27% right now. For those of you that got in at 33 cents a minute ago, you're already a 10% bag holder on Dogecoin. But Dogecoin performing very well today. The Doge army is flexing their muscles and saying, not so fast, Shiba, not so fast. AB, thank you for the super chat. Is there any way for me to DM you something about AMC real quick? AB, you can DM me on, well, I don't know if you can actually DM me on Twitter unless I follow you. Do I follow you on Twitter? Claybro883 if I don't follow you on Twitter, but I'm not going to be able to get it until after the live stream. But yeah, you can DM me there if I follow you already. Otherwise, tag me and I'll try to go follow you. Where can you get SafeMoon? I don't know if you can buy SafeMoon any other place than like PancakeSwap. Read my previous message. We need your answer. Absolutely, Devil's Advocate. I got you, man. Clay, when is your actual birthday? Danelle, my actual birthday is on May 26th. And Devil's Advocate, previous question. Elizabeth C. It's really Clay's birthday, and I also would like to take this moment to ask him, Clay. We talked, and would like you to be the godfather of our kids, assuming she can still physically have them. Burn! Oh, absolutely, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. I've never been so honored in my life. 100% accept. Question is, like, do I have to do anything crazy with that, or are you guys like pretty chill? What's the deal? I hope you're pretty chill with it. But yes, 100% accept. Devil's Advocate. Thank you. Man, my day gets getting better and better. Natalie was in here. I'm a godfather now. This is amazing. Have you heard of Cat Girl Coin? I have not, Andy. Is it any good? Mine's May 16th. Christina! We're like birthday buddies. Come on now. Gosh, mine is May 31st. We definitely becoming a bro. Yes! That's what I'm talking about, dude. May 31st is a good day. Davis, AMC could go down to fundamental value, whatever that is, less than $10. Yeah, and if it does, I would expect it to go that far down after the squeeze, not before. Being a godfather is 99% pinky rings, dude. Good thing I got a stash of pinky rings sitting in my room right now. Heck yeah, Brett. Thanks for reminding me about all my pinky rings, dude. I'm up 170% today. Andy, very nice, man. Will Shiba rise to 1 Indian rupee ever? Dude, I don't know the conversion of rupees to dollars. So unfortunately, I can't answer that right now because I don't know that conversion. I would assume that it would. It is pretty sure your job is, as a godfather, is to help the kid continue their faith, which doesn't exist. So yes, pretty easy gig, man. I'll be honest. You can literally do nothing. Easiest job ever. Let's go. Frank! Thank you for the super chat, Frank. I call for an election to permanent mod status to a member of the stream as official Claybro options representative, preferably in a fedora. Oh, dang, man. Frank is loving that wrench, man. Frank is definitely loving that wrench. He wants it to stay permanent. Well, shoot, man. Maybe it will. I mean, you are one of the people that's in here every single day, so I definitely think that you could be gunning for mod status as well. Shiba going to a penny, and thank you, dude, for the super chat. I appreciate that. I don't know if I'm going to mod you just because of it, permanently mod you, but hey, man, be the first to comment on the video tonight, and you could definitely be modded. There was one dude in here that was first last night, and he has never come in today. Like ratio is 1 to 10 with viewers to likes. What is happening? Guys, go click the like button. Go click the like button. 1 to 10. Guys are just being crazy right now. Click the X on the chat. Click the thumbs up. Click live chat again. Don't be that way. You're not that guy. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Mine is May 14th. Everybody's born in May. Anybody else born in May?